everybody. Welcome back like I never left. If you're looking for something interesting, then you are in the right place. Today we are in the Q of C, my friends. The Q of C, in front of this awesome mural. I stop here every time that Aaron and I roll through the QC. It is freaking cold as all get out, so your girl's nose is going to be red this whole dang vlog. But thought we would just throw together a quick little vlog, let you guys know what we are getting into. I usually come down to the QC because they have a couple of stores that I really like. We are going to try to hit up an international market. I'll probably put up that video on Saturday, or one of these Saturdays as my shopping Saturday video. Try to grab a couple of beers, try to see a couple people, try to have a good time. So that's what we're going to get into. Come on now. This freaking mural, you guys. Every single time I'm here, it's freaking beautiful. All right, you guys, I'm cold. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, we were driving by, and I don't think I've ever seen this one in all of my trips, but tell me that these murals are not insane. I'm going to try to show you guys as many of them as I see, but this is so freaking cool. Very colorful. Just walking around to the front to see if they have more. Oh, it goes all the way around, you guys. It goes all the way around. Check this out. Isn't that not the coolest thing? Like, straight up, you guys, I have seen so many incredible murals since we've been here. I'm just walking around and gonna get you guys a wider shot. But tell me that these murals are not the coolest thing you guys have seen. Hold on. Look at that. It's so cool. Look at that, you guys. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but the colors are freakishly vibrant. It's just such a beautiful mural. I love this. London specifically to check this out. Look at all the cool stickers, you guys. Hey, you guys, we are in, I think we're in, I want to say Moline, one of the cities in the Quad Cities. We just grabbed ourselves a couple of beers. We're at Bit River Brewery. It's going to be backwards because my camera's not currently mirrored, but yeah, we just decided to grab a couple of beers. We are going to sit and chill for a second, drink some of these, and then we are going to head to a store that I usually like to go to here so that I can pick a couple things up. It is very windy and a lot colder than I would like it to be, but I am trying to stay in the sun, as you guys see. And I'm waiting for Aaron to come back. He was going to grab my tripod so I can set you guys up on the table and you guys can chill, relax with us while we are here. But it's very cute. If you are ever in QC, definitely swing by here, you guys. It's super cool. I'll try to give you guys a quick look of it when I turn the camera around. You guys, this is a pineapple flavored beer. It's delicious. I'm just drinking a regular IPA. Okay, you guys, I'm in the top dollar in the high limit room, and this is a $5 machine, you guys. I'm gonna do 4 spins. Let's see what we can do, you guys. Max bet credit, tell me that that's only $5. Or my total bet is, woo! We're gonna bet 1. Here we go. Spin the reel. Okay. And then 2. Whoop. Oh. Obviously, I'm not versed in this. What is that? I have no idea how much money that is. Nobody knows. We're going again. Because we said 4 spins, right? Come on! Oh my gosh. And 1 last spin, you guys. Top dollar? 1 more. Just for the road, you guys. Come on. Okay. Okay, you guys. We are at the Aztec Treasures. It's a $1 machine. And I'm pretty sure the top end is $9. To max bet. We are going to try to max bet this thing for, I guess, 2 spins and see how it goes. So let's go. I'm going to hand it over to Aaron. We're going to see these 2 spins. Here goes nothing. We're playing for $55,000, you guys. $55,000. Okay, let's do it. Max bet. I'm pressing the button. Can you see me pressing the button? Let's do it. Oh my god. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Nothing happened. Let's go again. How much is that? It better be 1,000. Oh, it was $20. Okay, that was trash. Let's try 1 more. Oh, is that something? Oh Lord, we got disrespected. Hey, you guys, playing Ultra Rush Gold again, and we got into the last spin. Let's do this. Come on. Okay. What do we do if you fill it up? Is that the grand? We need to get that $13,000, you guys. We're trying to go for that. Come on. All right, I gotta keep spinning. Okay. Oh, the disrespect. Oh, they got 3 bonus spins awarded. Come on, then, baby. You're out here giving away bonus spins. Come on. We need a wheel or something. Wheel. Oh, disrespectful. Come on. Come on, baby. Wheel. Oh, $25. Wheel. Come on, baby. Fill it up or give us the wheel. We need $13,000. Fill it up. Come on, baby. Wheel. 1 more for the wheel. Uh-oh. That's it, you guys. What did we win here? Is this like 50, 60, 70? Okay, it's gonna count. Just pull it at once. Oh, 67 goals. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Ooh. Gigantic, whatever the heck this is. Aaron and I have yet to figure out if it's a moose or not a moose, but a unicorn. Do you think it's a unicorn, babe? We don't know, you guys. Let's see if we can find out.
I think it's a chicken pig.
Aaron thinks it's a chicken pig, but you guys tell me what you think this is. Nobody knows. It's playing music though. Does anybody know? Nobody knows. Whoa, let me click back in here, guys. So we were about to head out today. We woke up this morning and we saw that they had a beautiful couple of stalls here, I guess. I don't know if it's like really the farmer's market or what. So we're gonna see if there's anything cool and let you guys know. There is a guy in front of us with a parrot, as we noted. And if we can catch up with him, we're gonna see if we can't meet that parrot. Look at these, you guys. Awesome. Do you mind if I film you and Deuce? Oh, you guys, the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah?
So this is Deuce the parrot, you guys.
He just had a...
Look at him. He's so nice, you guys. He's so relaxed. That is beautiful. And the colors are amazing.
Welcome.
Deuce is a beautiful, beautiful Deuce. Hey, Deuce.
He's 23.
23. Deuce, you're old enough to drink and drive.
You do look wise, Deuce.
He totally is the most incredible bird. Deuce. Ah, thank you.
Take that.
So many beautiful colors. This right here. Oh, look at these. Look at that, you guys. What I was looking at are these. What is this called again, babe? That guy? Oh, that's what I thought. I was like, okay, is that a bird of paradise? But look at this, you guys. How beautiful. Wow. I wonder if they still have the monkey. guys want to see what coffee beans look like? That is a coffee plant. If you did not know. What's the delicious caffeinated goodness? Love it, love it, love it. We got koi. Hey, you guys. Did I come say hi? Oh. Thought you guys were coming by to say hello. Hello. Oh my gosh, your girl is very tired looking because it was a night, you guys. But we are here. It's very humid in here and very dark. How you doing over there, A-Train? Aaron has found something to look at. What is that?
I don't know. I thought at first it was some sort of spider plant, but I'm not sure what
It's really beautiful, though.
Funk's airplane.
It's called a Funk's airplane?
There's a little tag over here. Funk's air plants.
Okay, interesting, you guys.
Cool.
Love it. I love going inside of these places because they're so freaking humid that, like, your skin just gets better. Everything just feels better. You guys, what is going on here? Oh, it's a ponderosa. Can I slip in here? Let's see. It's a ponderosa lemon. Look at these, you guys. Don't know if my camera's picking it up. Oh, there it goes. Do you guys see it? It's that right there. That is what we're talking about. That's insane. They're growing so big. Do you guys see this other big one? Right there. That's crazy. Right there. Nut pants, you guys. Nut pants. The way that it's coming out of this spigot makes me wonder if it actually needs to be altered. Whoa! So much disrespect. But that is what it is. And I am going to go ahead and give myself an area. Ooh, this griddle. This is my first time using this crate maker. I got it for free from a casino. Whoop, whoop. So I'm going in with my orange. And we're going to see if your girl understands the assignment. Hopefully you guys can see the shape. Can you go in with the green?
Here goes the orange. Yep.
Now she's funky looking. She's funky looking. But hopefully you guys can see what we are about to do here. Of doing the dang thing. We are making ourselves a Easter pancake. Is what we are doing right now. That is what we're doing. Gigantic Easter pancake. Oh, come on. Talk about it. So you guys can see. Thumbnail it. Click. up, you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, our quick little overnight trip to QC. I felt like we saw a lot. When we were there. And also our little snippet. I gave you guys a little sneak peek of what we did on Easter, which was really a whole lot of nothing. I went live twice, once on this channel and once on my DIY channel. And what you're seeing behind you are some of the DIYs that I've made over here. If you haven't checked out that channel, do so. I will link it in this video. It's BOK Media Life. And I make tons of DIYs over there. But let me know in the comments if you guys were enjoying this vlog. I'm going to try to do one once a week, dropping on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time the entire month of May. That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm going to see how you guys feel about them. If you guys like them, I'll continue doing them. If you guys don't, we'll switch to something else. It's new channels that we're just trying stuff out right now. You guys let me know, and I will transition and be flexible to what you guys want. We've been having deer in the backyard, so I'm like looking this way because I'm wondering if this large family of deer is like peeking in my window looking at me. Nobody knows. Anyway, you guys have a good rest of your day. Definitely, like I said, make sure to comment, and if you have not already subscribed, please do so. And of course, throw your thumbs up on the video. I'm not sure how to end these vlogs. We'll keep going until we figure it out. Anyway, you guys are greatly appreciated, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. What is going on my computer? Did my computer just disrespect my ending? Wow, so disrespectful. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good one, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, bye.